African elephant. The African elephant, Earth's largest land animal, is a marvel of nature's engineering. These gentle giants roam the savannas and forests of Africa, their massive bodies supported by pillar-like legs. Their most distinctive feature, the trunk, is a wonder of versatility. This elongated nose and upper lip combination serves as a hand, snorkel, trumpet, and even a tool for affectionate gestures. Elephants are known for their intelligence and emotional depth. They form strong family bonds, mourn their dead, and display empathy towards other species. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, leaves, bark, and fruits, consuming up to 300 pounds of vegetation daily. This herbivorous lifestyle plays a crucial role in shaping their ecosystems, as they create clearings in forests, disperse seeds, and maintain grasslands. Despite their size, elephants face significant threats from human activities. Poaching for ivory and habitat loss have led to declining populations. However, their plight has also sparked global conservation efforts, making the African elephant a symbol of wildlife protection. These majestic creatures remind us of the delicate balance in nature and our responsibility to preserve it. Click subscribe to this channel to get more topics you love. White rhinoceros. The white rhinoceros, contrary to its name, isn't white at all. The term comes from a mistranslation of the Afrikaans word wyd, meaning wide, referring to its square lip. This powerful creature is the second largest land mammal after the elephant, with a massive body covered in thick, folded skin that acts like armor. White rhinos are grazers, using their wide, flat lips to crop grass close to the ground. This specialized feeding adaptation has shaped their entire physiology and behavior. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems by maintaining grasslands, which in turn supports a diverse array of other species. These gentle giants have poor eyesight but acute hearing and a keen sense of smell. They communicate through a complex system of grunts, snorts, and high-pitched squeals. Despite their imposing appearance, rhinos are generally peaceful unless threatened. Tragically, white rhinos have been pushed to the brink of extinction due to poaching for their horns, which are valued in traditional medicine and as status symbols. Conservation efforts have had some success, but the fight to save these magnificent creatures continues, highlighting the ongoing struggle between human desires and the preservation of biodiversity. Giraffe. The giraffe, with its elongated neck and legs, stands as a testament to nature's ingenuity. This unique herbivore, native to African savannas, has evolved to reach heights no other land animal can match. Their extraordinary anatomy allows them to browse on leaves and buds in the upper canopies of trees, particularly acacias, that other herbivores can't access. Giraffes' hearts are remarkably powerful, pumping blood up their long necks against gravity. Their tongues, which can grow up to 20 inches long, are prehensile and darkly colored to protect against sunburn. These adaptations showcase the intricate ways evolution shapes species to fit their ecological niches. Despite their size, giraffes move with grace and can run at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. They have a complex social structure, forming loose herds but also engaging in necking contests for dominance. Giraffes communicate through infrasonic sounds below human hearing range, demonstrating that there's more to their world than meets the eye. Sadly, giraffe populations have declined by 40% in the last 3 decades due to habitat loss and poaching. Their plight highlights the silent crisis facing many of Earth's iconic species and the urgent need for conservation efforts to preserve these gentle giants for future generations. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus, whose name means river horse in Greek, is a paradox of nature. Despite their bulky appearance and semi-aquatic lifestyle, these herbivores are surprisingly agile and can outrun humans over short distances. Hippos spend most of their days submerged in rivers and lakes to keep cool, with only their eyes, ears, and nostrils above water. Hippos are critical to their ecosystems. Their dung, rich in nutrients from their plant-based diet, fertilizes rivers and supports aquatic life. At night, they emerge to graze on grass, creating pathways that other animals use and helping to prevent bush encroachment. Their social structure is fascinating. Hippos live in groups called schools, pods, or herds, usually led by a dominant male. They communicate through a series of grunts, roars, and wheeze-honk calls that can be heard for miles. Despite their herbivorous nature, hippos are considered one of Africa's most dangerous animals due to their territorial behavior and powerful jaws. This contradiction between their plant-eating lifestyle and aggressive reputation makes them a subject of both fear and fascination, embodying the complex and often misunderstood nature of wildlife. Koala. The koala, an iconic symbol of Australia, is a masterpiece of evolutionary adaptation. These marsupials have specialized to feed almost exclusively on eucalyptus leaves, a diet that would be toxic to most other animals. Their digestive systems have evolved to detoxify the poisonous compounds in eucalyptus, showcasing nature's ability to find opportunity in adversity. Koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day, a strategy that conserves energy to digest their low-nutrient, high-fiber diet. Their brains have actually shrunk over time to reduce energy consumption, an extraordinary example of how diet can shape anatomy and behavior. Despite their cuddly appearance, koalas are solitary animals with complex social hierarchies. They communicate through bellows that resonate through the forests, a sound surprisingly deep for their size. Mothers carry their young, called joeys, in their pouches for about 6 months, forming a bond that epitomizes the nurturing nature of marsupials. Tragically, koalas face numerous threats, including habitat loss, disease, and climate change. The 2019 to 2020 Australian bushfires devastated koala populations, bringing renewed focus on the fragility of their existence. As eucalyptus forests decline, so do koalas, making them a poignant symbol of the interconnectedness of species and their habitats. Giant panda. The giant panda, with its distinctive black and white coat, is a living testament to the marvels of evolutionary specialization. These bears have adapted to a diet consisting almost entirely of bamboo, a food source low in nutrients but abundantly available in their native mountain ranges of central China. This dietary choice has shaped every aspect of their biology and behavior. Pandas have evolved unique adaptations to process their fibrous diet. Their wrist bones have developed into a pseudo-thumb, allowing them to grip bamboo stems efficiently. Their powerful jaws and flat molars are perfectly suited for crushing tough plant material. Amazingly, pandas must eat for up to 14 hours a day to meet their nutritional needs, consuming up to 84 pounds of bamboo daily. Despite their cuddly appearance, pandas are solitary creatures, coming together only briefly for mating. Their low reproductive rate, combined with habitat loss, has made them vulnerable to extinction. However, intensive conservation efforts have led to a slight increase in wild populations, offering a glimmer of hope for their future. The giant panda's story is one of resilience and adaptation, but also a stark reminder of the delicate balance between species and their environments. As a global symbol of conservation, the panda continues to captivate our imagination and inspire efforts to protect biodiversity worldwide. Gorilla. Gorillas, our close evolutionary cousins, are a profound embodiment of strength, intelligence, and gentleness. These great apes, found in the forests of Central Africa, are the largest living primates. Despite their imposing size and strength, gorillas are primarily herbivorous, with a diet consisting mostly of leaves, shoots, and fruits. Their herbivorous lifestyle has shaped their social structure and behavior. Gorillas live in groups led by a dominant silverback male, who guides the group to feeding sites and protects them from threats. This social organization allows for efficient foraging and highlights the complex interplay between diet, ecology, and social behavior in primate evolution. Gorillas possess remarkable intelligence and emotional capacity. They can use tools, solve problems, and have even learned human sign language in captivity. Their capacity for empathy and self-awareness challenges our perceptions of the divide between humans and other animals. Sadly, all gorilla species are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Their plight reflects the broader crisis facing Earth's biodiversity. Conservation efforts for gorillas often focus on protecting entire forest ecosystems, demonstrating how the fate of a single species can be intertwined with the health of entire landscapes. The gorilla serves as a powerful reminder of our connection to the natural world and our responsibility to protect it. Their survival is not just about preserving a species, but about maintaining the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Bison. The bison, often called buffalo in North America, is a symbol of the wild frontier and a testament to nature's resilience. These massive bovines once roamed the plains of North America in herds numbering millions, shaping the landscape through their grazing patterns and migrations. Their presence was integral to the ecosystems of the Great Plains and to the cultures of many Native American tribes. Bison are perfectly adapted to their grassland habitat. Their large, woolly heads act as snowplows in winter, allowing them to reach the grass beneath. Their humped shoulders house powerful muscles that enable them to plow through deep snow. Despite weighing up to 2,000 pounds, bison can run at speeds of 35 miles per hour, showcasing the surprising agility of these herbivorous giants. The bison's story is one of near extinction and gradual recovery. By the late 1800s, they were hunted to the brink of extinction, with only a few hundred remaining. Their decline mirrored the displacement of Native American tribes and the transformation of the American West. However, conservation efforts have since brought their numbers back to around 500,000, though most live on ranches rather than in the wild. Today, bison play a crucial role in efforts to restore prairie ecosystems. Their grazing patterns promote plant diversity, and their wallowing creates depressions that collect water, supporting a variety of plant and animal life. The return of the bison represents not just the recovery of a species, but the restoration of ecological processes that have been absent for over a century. Moose. The moose, the largest member of the deer family, is a majestic symbol of the northern wilderness. These imposing herbivores are perfectly adapted to life in boreal and mixed deciduous forests, with long legs that allow them to wade through deep snow and swim across lakes and rivers. Their distinctive palmate antlers, which can span up to 6 feet, are not just for show but play a crucial role in establishing dominance during mating season. Moose are browsers, feeding on leaves, bark, and aquatic plants. Their unique upper lip, which is prehensile and hangs over their lower lip, allows them to strip leaves from branches with remarkable efficiency. Interestingly, moose are excellent swimmers and can even dive up to 20 feet underwater to feed on aquatic vegetation, holding their breath for up to a minute. Despite their size, moose are surprisingly elusive and solitary animals. They have poor eyesight but acute hearing and sense of smell, which they rely on to detect predators like wolves and bears. In some areas, moose have adapted to urban environments, becoming a common sight in cities like Anchorage, Alaska, highlighting the species' adaptability. Climate change poses a significant threat to moose populations. Warmer temperatures have led to increased parasites and heat stress, while changing vegetation patterns affect their food sources. The plight of the moose serves as a stark reminder of the far-reaching impacts of global climate change on even the most robust of species. Deer. Deer, with their graceful form and cautious nature, embody the delicate balance of life in forests and meadows across much of the world. These herbivores come in a wide variety of species, from the tiny poodoo of South America to the massive moose, each adapted to its specific habitat. Most male deer grow antlers annually, a unique feature among mammals. This process is a marvel of biology, with antlers being one of the fastest-growing tissues in the animal kingdom. They serve not just as weapons for mating disputes but also as indicators of genetic fitness and nutritional status. Deer play a crucial role in their ecosystems as both prey and ecological engineers. Their grazing habits can significantly influence forest composition, promoting certain plant species while suppressing others. In some areas, the absence of natural predators has led to deer overpopulation, causing ecological imbalances and highlighting the complex interconnections in nature. Many deer species have a remarkable ability to adapt to human-altered landscapes, often thriving in suburban areas. This adaptability, while showcasing their resilience, also leads to human-wildlife conflicts, challenging us to find ways to coexist with wildlife in increasingly urbanized environments. The cultural significance of deer cannot be overstated. They feature prominently in art, literature, and mythology across cultures, often symbolizing grace, fertility, and renewal. From the reindeer herds crucial to Arctic indigenous peoples to the sacred deer of Japan's Nara Park, these animals continue to captivate our imagination and play important roles in human societies. Zebra. Zebras, with their iconic black and white stripes, are living works of art roaming the African savannas. These equines are not just visually striking, their stripes serve multiple purposes, showcasing nature's ingenuity. The striped pattern acts as camouflage, confusing predators by creating optical illusions when zebras move in herds. It also helps regulate body temperature and repel biting insects, demonstrating how a single adaptation can serve multiple functions. Zebras are social animals, living in family groups or larger herds. Their social structure is complex, with strong bonds between mares and their foals that can last a lifetime. This social behavior is crucial for their survival, as they rely on collective vigilance to detect predators in the open grasslands they inhabit. As grazers, zebras play a vital role in their ecosystems. They often act as lawn mowers, cropping tough, coarse grasses that other herbivores find unpalatable. This behavior not only sustains them but also benefits other species by promoting the growth of more nutritious grasses. Interestingly, each zebra's stripe pattern is as unique as a human fingerprint. This individuality allows zebras to recognize each other, an important factor in their social interactions. It's a reminder that even within a seemingly uniform pattern, nature creates endless variations. Sadly, some zebra species, like the Giraffe zebra, are endangered due to habitat loss and competition with livestock. Their decline highlights the ongoing challenges of balancing human needs with wildlife conservation in Africa's changing landscapes. Cow. The domestic cow, a descendant of the wild aurochs, is perhaps one of the most influential animals in human history. These gentle herbivores have been pivotal in the development of agriculture, providing milk, meat, leather, and labor for thousands of years. The relationship between humans and cows has shaped landscapes, economies, and cultures worldwide. Cows are ruminants, possessing a complex four-chambered stomach that allows them to extract nutrients from grass and other plant matter indigestible to humans. This ability to convert inedible vegetation into high-quality protein has made them invaluable in food production. Their grazing behavior also plays a crucial role in maintaining grasslands and, when managed properly, can contribute to carbon sequestration and soil health. The domestication of cows represents a significant milestone in human civilization. It led to the development of dairy cultures, influenced migration patterns, and even shaped religious beliefs in many societies. In Hinduism, for instance, cows are revered as sacred animals, illustrating the deep cultural impact these animals have had. However, modern industrial cattle farming has raised significant environmental and ethical concerns. Large-scale beef production contributes to deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions, while concerns about animal welfare in intensive farming systems have sparked debates about our relationship with food animals. Interestingly, cows have complex emotional lives often overlooked. They form strong social bonds, display distinct personalities, and even show problem-solving abilities. This emerging understanding challenges us to reconsider our perception of these familiar animals and our ethical responsibilities towards them. Horse. The horse, a symbol of grace, power, and freedom, has been intertwined with human history for millennia. These majestic herbivores have played pivotal roles in transportation, warfare, agriculture, and sport, shaping the course of civilizations. Their domestication around 6,000 years ago marked a turning point in human development, enabling faster travel, more efficient farming, and expanded trade networks. Horses are uniquely adapted for speed and endurance. Their long legs, powerful muscles, and single-toed hooves allow them to cover vast distances efficiently. Their digestive system, like that of other herbivores, is designed to process a high-fiber diet of grasses and other plants. Interestingly, horses can sleep standing up thanks to a stay apparatus in their legs, an adaptation that allowed their wild ancestors to flee quickly from predators. The social structure of horses is fascinating. In the wild, they live in herds with complex hierarchies. This social nature has made them receptive to forming strong bonds with humans, leading to the deep human-horse relationships that have captivated cultures worldwide. The concept of horse whispering highlights the subtle communication and mutual understanding possible between humans and these sensitive animals. Horses have had a profound impact on human culture, featuring prominently in art, literature, and mythology across diverse societies. From the Trojan horse of Greek legend to the Mustangs of the American West, horses have galloped through our collective imagination, symbolizing freedom, nobility, and the wild spirit of nature. Today, while no longer central to transportation or warfare, horses continue to play important roles in therapy, recreation, and sport. The preservation of wild horse populations and traditional horse cultures also remains a significant conservation and cultural heritage issue, reminding us of our enduring connection to these magnificent creatures. Sheep. Sheep, with their woolly coats and gentle demeanor, have been integral to human societies for thousands of years. These versatile herbivores were among the first animals domesticated by humans, providing wool, meat, and milk. Their influence on human culture, economy, and even language is profound. Phrases like black sheep and wolf in sheep's clothing attest to their cultural significance. Sheep are perfectly adapted to a herbivorous lifestyle. Their split upper lip allows them to select and eat small plants and grasses close to the ground. Like cows, they are ruminants, with a four-chambered stomach that efficiently extracts nutrients from tough plant matter. This ability to thrive on vegetation unsuitable for human consumption has made them valuable in areas where crops are difficult to grow. The social behavior of sheep is more complex than often recognized. They have excellent memory for faces, both sheep and human, and can remember up to 50 individual sheep for over 2 years. Sheep also display emotions, form friendships, and show signs of depression when isolated from their flock, challenging perceptions of them as simple, unintelligent animals. Sheep have played a crucial role in landscape management for centuries. Their grazing habits can help maintain grasslands, prevent forest encroachment, and even aid in wildfire prevention. However, overgrazing can also lead to soil erosion and habitat degradation, highlighting the need for sustainable management practices. In recent years, there's been growing interest in heritage sheep breeds, some of which are endangered. These breeds often possess unique adaptations to local environments and represent important genetic diversity. Their conservation is not just about preserving biodiversity, but also about maintaining cultural heritage and potentially valuable traits for future breeding programs. Goat. Goats, with their mischievous personalities and remarkable adaptability, have been faithful companions to humans for over 10,000 years. These hardy herbivores are found in diverse environments across the globe, from mountains to deserts, showcasing their incredible resilience and versatility. Unlike sheep, which are grazers, goats are browsers, preferring to eat leaves, twigs, and shrubs. This feeding behavior makes them excellent at clearing undergrowth and has led to their use in eco-friendly landscaping and fire prevention. Their digestive system is highly efficient, allowing them to extract nutrients from a wide variety of plant materials, including some that are toxic to other animals. Goats are known for their intelligence and curiosity. They have been observed displaying problem-solving skills and can remember complex tasks for years. Their inquisitive nature, combined with their agility, often leads them to explore and climb, behaviors that have both endeared them to humans and sometimes caused mischief. In many parts of the world, goats are crucial to sustainable agriculture. They require less food and water than cattle, making them well-suited to arid regions. Goat milk, which is more easily digestible than cow's milk for many people, is a staple in numerous cultures. Additionally, their hair, particularly from breeds like the Angora goat, provides mohair, a luxurious and durable fiber. Interestingly, goats have rectangular pupils, an adaptation that gives them a wide field of vision to spot predators. This unique feature, along with their ability to express a wide range of vocalizations, contributes to their expressive faces and the sense that they're almost human-like in their interactions. In recent years, goat yoga and goat therapy have gained popularity, highlighting these animals' gentle nature and the calming effect they can have on humans. This trend speaks to the ongoing evolution of our relationship with these fascinating creatures, as we continue to discover new ways in which they enrich our lives.